Do the Marios!
Hey everyone, welcome again to another episode of Sons of Mine-archy.
Of a mysterious
Today we're gonna be
power.
Rayman.
Well, my little ones just need
Rayman.
a nap.
Now this is Rayman Legends, but there's actually a whole bunch of Rayman.
There's multiple.
We
They
beat.
spread.
We're just gonna start a new game.
Generated new demons.
Yeah, these games are very creative from Ubisoft. They're really fun. The graphics are amazing on these games.
A glade of dreams.
Great. This is one of the best, in my opinion. One of the best.
I love Rayman.
Yeah,
We
parent-child
beat
games.
We beat the both of the games.
Parents, if you guys don't have Rayman, I suggest you get it right now. Right now. Go. Go. Turn off the machine. Go right now. Go
What
get it.
machine?
I don't know.
love
Whatever machine
Rayman.
they're using to watch this.
You could like switch your character. My favorite is probably the magic guys.
Ah.
That's the sound they make. I remember
This is
there's-
absolutely maybe my favorite game to play, like parent-child. Of course, once again,
So-
this is co-op. Oh yeah, we didn't do a real proper introduction. For those of you who never tuned in, never joined us before, this is Sons of Mine-archy. We are the only father and son game review and gameplay on the internet.
I don't want to be. Wait. Here you go. Press X. Well, we right now. See, you can fly.
So you can run, you hold A, you can actually fly. You try to get these little things. They're
No,
like
you
gold
double tap
coins.
A and then you just hold it. If
You can hold
if you
that
press
and
X, you
hold
can,
each other.
and if you can hold X, then you can do super punch. B does nothing right now, but it will later. And then this thing, you can just pop it out of the ground.
Very simple
Combo.
controls. You know, A, you can do a double jump, you can fly,
And these guys, you have to then
you
do
can
that
slam
little-
down.
And that's a secret. He always loves these secrets.
X is to hit. I don't even know if B
Secrets.
does anything. B doesn't
Ah.
do anything, only 2 buttons. But the gameplay is amazing, not to mention the graphics.
Yeah. And look how fun. There's like, you can get it. Like, there's this like Rayman Run or something. Like, you can get on your phone.
Yeah, actually Rayman Run is also one of the best game apps for like an iTouch or on your
Huh.
phone. It's
That's good.
amazing. It actually looks just like this.
Oh, and the frog comes out. He helps you sometimes. B, he holds it.
I
You
forgot
just
also
jumped
if
on
you
him.
hit the right trigger, you can actually run fast too.
Oh yeah, this is Rayman 2. This,
Remember,
but
you gotta tickle
Rayman
them.
Run.
Slam down on that.
Some of you may already know because some other people may play this.
You could actually jump off walls, and you could actually gain skills.
You
and
can
then
also,
pretty
like-
soon you'll run up walls. Huh.
Yeah. Wait, can you?
And I think I'm about to sneeze.
God.
There we go. My guy's really ain't slow actually.
Tickle, tickle. So
You can
in this-
punch when you're running really fast, and that actually makes you kind of like fly. And he's kicking me in the face for no reason. Those hearts will actually make you not. Yeah, they're pretty much like a life
X.
block. Press X to hit. You gotta.
Hey, just
Oops.
hit me in there. Okay. To get back, if you just die, you go in a bubble. To get you back, the other person has to hit you. You can just
Yeah, as long as only one person dies, you're good.
but
Because
if
you can
two
save the other
people
guy.
die-
If both of you die, though, you guys are gonna
yeah,
have
but
to
remember
restart.
those fast ones saying we're
Restart a certain checkpoint.
over here.
Is there?
Okay. So See those little things there?
They
those
hang on rings. Make a swing on the ring, the rope.
Tuh.
Save that guy. Come back here. So I can hit
so
you.
I'm not really good at these games, so I'll die a lot. See? I just like to run ahead. But also you can fly.
And this is really co-op here because obviously the other person can control this little green guy.
Obi?
And what happens is
Which one?
other person can really make you bad day.
Secret. And if you die, you can fly.
You didn't have to die. You'll come right up as soon as I go.
Oh, I
you
don't
gotta-
like. So you could turn it, but also like you have to hang on the ring.
To turn it a little bit so that when you drop off,
You won't get hurt. And jump off walls. To jump off walls, you just press A many times and you can get off. But why you want secrets is because you can get that guy.
yep. And then when you save them, there's actually a little dance.
And you get an extra heart too. Okay. And you get an extra heart.
You get an extra heart.
If you like find these secrets and complete them, you get extra.
These strange little
Some
guys
of these
give you
secrets are
hearts.
really hard. Remember? Those.
Wait.
I want the coin. Duh, duh.
Whoosh. Catch the rope. Wait, hold on. Oh, actually, you know what? Let's rotate this way. There you go. Much easier. And then you reach the end.
Yay! We're out
Hey!
of that place.
And then it just goes on and on. These levels get extremely crazy.
Hard.
Extremely
Oh
crazy.
wait, maybe there's a secret up here.
You gotta explore. Some of these places have secret contraptions.
Ah, why'd you do that? Oh, like there. No.
And we both got
Wait.
the killer did it.
Okay, cut it. Just.
Yeah, that's not.
Okay, so just jump when you cut the rope. Okay, cut. Go. I made it. Yeah, see.
Good job.
So-
I guess we didn't really need to do that because we could have just asked them to cut both of them. That's all
Oh
right.
yeah. So you might know some secrets we don't know, but we just know it so we can.
I'm sure there's some other things in this game that we haven't even explored yet, but for
No,
the
come
most
on,
part.
punch me.
Wait a second.
Okay, I just like to go.
No.
Ah, and I did that.
Some of these is, you see the cooperation level is really hard because we need to get onto this thing together.
Come on. Oh. Tickle, 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 tickle.
And
Yay.
when there's confetti, That means
No,
you
you're
got
gonna
it.
win. Yeah, we won almost all.
So you have to go inside, and then basically that is one level you completed. There's one level of like how many levels? There's
Yeah,
like
and also this thing is-
60,000 levels.
And plus, there's a number 2 of this, so
Well, there's like 3 of them. There's 4 or 5 actually.
yeah,
Raymans.
Clover. Can we get the gold? What? So close. Anyways, yeah, we almost got the gold. Tennessee's in trouble.
Teensies.
And also, you can get like new characters. See, this is what you got. That's the teensies. We can skip ahead in levels, but let's go in the main gallery. Show them. This. See, you can. Let's see that. Or you can go in all of these too.
You have to unlock them obviously with.
Yeah. See how much levels there is? You need 72 to unlock that. And also, let's just go to heroes.
Challenges.
Heroes? Hey, which one? Oh, how about Kung Fu? Remember?
Oh, Kung Fu, let's go.
So I'll teach you how to play. So you were supposed to hit the ball by like pressing X, and then you have to get it in the goals. But sometimes you can do like combo moves. I'm red.
3, 2, 1, go.
You can also bounce it.
Yeah, here we go.
You hit it.
I
Yeah.
scored my own goal. No.
What?
Here we go, in your goal.
No. Tie.
No, no, no. Yes.
Yeah.
Go!
No! My kick. Oops.
You scored your own goal.
No! Yeah!
Yeah.
I just picked you up. No! I'm really kinda good.
What is going on? Kind of hard to control a little bit sometimes. Hey, you run faster than me.
Yeah. These characters have different abilities. Yay! And also you could I'm gonna pick you up.
For that, I'm scoring.
Yeah.
Oh! That was a far goal. I was like Lionel Messi. Who's Messi? Oh,
It's
what?
a soccer player in Argentina.
He's one of the
I'm
best
just beating
soccer
you
players.
up. No! Just kick it.
46.
Got him. Okay. Now let's switch our character because I don't want to be Rayman.
Oh,
No, not challenges. Heroes. So you can switch your different characters. You can unlock them too. So you can be that big fat blue guy. I want to be this. I love this guy. I want to be the big fat guy. Scott, you can do. And also you can. Oh yeah, remember this? Lucky tickets. So you could like scratch.
We won.
You just won
500 lums.
Those things are lums. The scary monster creepy things. Those are lums.
Press A.
Yeah, I'm number 2.
Go to the gallery.
So I think we
Let's
should
go.
play one.
Teensies in trouble. show you another level. It just gets crazier and crazier. They have levels that are underwater. They have levels that are.
I don't like the underwater levels. They're so hard. Remember, like all
the
the
monsters
fish.
get crazy.
I want that. Sticker. Yeah, I got it. And these things, they summon me.
Watch out.
But I run faster.
Wait, hold on. Let's get this.
If you get a double heart, then you don't get any.
And then these chains.
And then you go, boop,
And you step on that.
fall down, and that's gonna hit you. So be careful. So we could just share with you all the secrets and what not to do and what to do. And this
Ooh.
guy,
Hit
you
him.
just hit him.
Hit him. And don't forget to look for your secret passages.
I knew something was gonna be up there. We don't remember much things. Oh, remember this one? You could just, there's a square.
Circle gets a square.
Open.
Hit that button.
We don't really know what to do. So, tell us if we're doing anything wrong. Yeah, look at me. Wow. How's that? Maybe you have to like double jump.
What?
I remember this was something hard. Ah! You just punched me. I tried. Oh! I get it. Oh.
So usually what happens is we have one person go explore.
And the other person stays back because we don't want to lose.
That's
Ah.
not good.
So we know that one's bad. So now your turn to go. Okay, my turn.
But no.
No.
See, blew a kiss. Now we both get hearts. B. Need that, but why not?
Oh,
Watch out. Don't step on that. Ah, yeah.
but you can get the gold coin. Ow.
Yeah, but. Yeah, you just got hit, though.
No. So now it's your turn.
You want me to try?
Sure. Go.
Down here.
There you go. And then you have to come back.
Can cut me up.
I'll just bring you. Yeah. So, love this game. I hope we. Oh! I remember this. You have to poke it in the eyeball, and then it shrivels back up. Or should I just go for it?
Go more. There you go.
Yeah. I usually go for it. What's it? Oh yeah, I remember the crush. You can crush. Boom. Boom.
You gotta get slammed down here.
And then you can slam on these things. No, you have to go. And also you have to boing boing.
Wait, there's something
What
up
just
here.
happened? There's something up here. Yeah, that's what I thought.
Wait, hold on. Secrets.
Yeah.
Secrets.
It's really hard to get into some secrets, so.
Cringe.
Oh, I remember this one. This is.
Ugh,
I think.
I'm dead. Keep going.
Ah!
Alright.
So, you want to try again?
Yeah. Where was I going?
I have no idea.
No. I don't know. Ready?
Yeah. Ah! So,
Go back. Oh, I was busy looking at you.
Yeah, we got it anyways.
I was looking at you. Didn't see that plant that was eating me.
Yeah, no.
Those are like
Wait, I already got that. There was a person.
it was like, what is that called?
Secrets.
Venus flytrap. Remember?
Yeah, it is a Venus flytrap. Oh, and I love these water slides.
Remember? We had a
We had one named Jake, but we put him in our thing. Wait, come down here. There's secrets.
We had a Venus flytrap, but you know the great thing about Venus flytraps, and people always mistake this.
Yeah.
They don't actually need to eat meat, although we did feed them flies. We caught flies and stuff.
It's just fun to see them eat flies.
Yeah, they actually just live like normal plants. They just eat regular. How are you supposed to get that? Wait, hold on.
Oh yeah. Any
They just eat
secrets up
regular
there?
plants. I mean,
What?
regular food. They need water. They
Any
need.
secrets?
Yeah, the secret was don't touch.
I need that. Secret. No, that's not secret. That's where we're supposed to go.
Okay, here we go.
No, wait, there's something. There's something here. That was just mistaken. These heartbeat bats. Boink. Hey!
I'm sorry.
Oh! Oh, I didn't expect it.
You get hit though.
Wait, there's a platform. Wait, there's heartbeat bats. Wait, where's everything? Oh, here you go. Ah! What just happened?
You kicked me.
Get that secret.
No, we have to go back.
Ah! Just yikes. No, you have to really bounce on it. Come on, you have to really bounce on it. You have to.
You have to hit down and smash.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I have to do the smash, bounce. It's my chance. Darn, missed. Always miss. Your turn. Ooh, yeah.
Oh,
We need one more to complete it.
complete the family.
Poo. Is there
Get that.
something?
Get
Yeah.
that.
Beat
Oh, I didn't even see the guy. I was too busy looking at you. I say that a lot.
Yeah. I always think that I'm you and you're me. Ah!
Oh,
Oh!
look. Oh, that was sick.
Just like ate you. I think you have to get that numb again.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
You gonna come with me?
No.
Huh?
No.
Okay, wait.
Okay. Okay, I'll see.
There you
Oh, remember this guy? He bounced you all the way.
What are those blue things?
Bats. Oh, secret. Yay!
We have to go get them.
Yay! See? 150, at least bronze. At least metal. At least clover. Oh! Gold!
Wow.
Na 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 na. Oh, na 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 na. Oh, na na na.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this game. We really do. We think it's one of the best co-op games out there, especially for parent-child, older brother, younger brother. Yeah, we really suggest you guys go out and get it, buy it. You'll have a lot of fun, a lot of bonding, a lot of laughs,
Yeah.
a lot of frustrations too. It's challenging. It's a challenging game. In the other levels, it gets harder and harder and harder,
Oh,
and
boink.
you're gonna have to try. There's some levels, remember, like the special levels where you have to chase the guy. Remember, you have to do it. You're gonna have to do the levels like 30, 40 times in a row. But it's worth it. It's worth the
Why?
adventure. It's worth the fun. You'll never forget it. You'll always remember Rayman. We don't work for Ubisoft. We
What?
don't sponsor them, or they don't sponsor us,
Help,
but
help,
we're telling you, this
help,
is a great game,
help.
so...
No,
This
no,
is
no,
unbiased
back,
opinion.
back.
So anyways, for me, Popz, and for HB, we appreciate you joining us. Subscribe, hit the like button. You got anything for them? Come on, one word of wisdom. Come on. Come on. Always have a good,
Attitude.
attitude. There we go. That's why Clarence, if you guys ever watched that cartoon Clarence, is such a good character, because he always has a good,
Abba Plu.
no matter what the
I don't wanna go
situation
here.
is. So until next time, thank you guys for joining us. Once again, we are made possible by you. So keep tuning in.
Bye.